All right, guys, so we're headed to the beach. Got the GoPro again today because I just honestly like how the clips was looking, man. It's very entertaining to watch. So it's just me and Chevy here today. Lance left to go back to the States today. So it's just me and him for the rest of the week. And our flight is on Monday. So we pretty much got the last weekend here. But this place is just absolutely incredible, man. We definitely gotta come back here. It's gorgeous, man. It's a gorgeous place. So we decided to sit, enjoy some pina coladas right here before we continue our journey down the beach. So we're trying the pina coladas. They're really good. Natural, fresh. Very fresh, man. Hey, listen, we getting our pina colada. Every 5 minutes, people keep walking by trying to sell us stuff. That stuff is annoying, man. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Estoy bien, gracias. Do I speak English? Oh yeah, I speak English. Your English sounds very good. So you got the good fish. Yeah. I like these prices too. These are some good prices. Yeah, we're gonna go to the beach and come back. I like these prices, man. I'm gonna come right here. Hey, Shaban, wait a minute. Look what a minute, huh? Look what a minute. Some good prices. Listen to me. It's camarons, that means like shrimp. But look at the Boca, Chica, the fish them cheap and everything. But we'll come back right there. We're gonna walk down and come back. Alright, so hey, we found somewhere cheap to eat.
I see that another blue. I see another blue right there.
Look at this guy, man. Catch it on the vlog too, boy. Yeah, bust school and hey.
Never catch it
Catch it on the vlog, man. He's talking about sending it to him. I don't gotta send nothing to you, boy. That's already on the vlog. I'm not gonna lie, man. The heat out here is hot, extremely caliente, but people enjoying themselves. Look at that. Ooh. Sana alama slippers. People out here enjoying themselves, guys. About to walk a little further, probably where the trees at down there, and go take a dip.
Hola, where you from?
¿Quién es, pues?
Where you from?
Santo Domingo.
Santo Domingo.
Sí. Sí, sí. So lively on the beach, man, always.
Hey, what's up, man? Well, just ski?
Oh, no gracias.
Oh, really?
No gracias. Full of life, man, always. So the plan is to walk down the beach, see what's going on. We'll take a swim and then come back to that shop up there at the start. Go eat some fish, see if they got some lobster, whatever they have, man. We about to go eat that. Y'all go there, watch out right there, saying, last I spot there because of the trees and whatever, is it, man? I'm going over this sucks. I'm going over this sucks. We're trying to gear up to go in the ocean now. good on the feet. I feel like next time I come to somewhere like this, I need to bring like a waterproof backpack. We don't really want to leave our stuff over here. I'm going to take a dip, my meet at the first watch. I'm going to take off my shirt and everything. So we gonna do this in watching stages, y'all. I'm gonna stay right here. He gonna enjoy himself, and when he come back, I'll go out.
I was wondering what's wrong with it. Not showing nothing. When the screen go blank, it's still recording though. Oh, so you started it before I went out there? And I said you started it before I went out there?
I go there, man. Blessings, blessings. Going all the way out today. I need some goggles for the salt water. Alright guys, so we just came from eating. Stefan turned for eat. Your turn for eat. So what I wanted on this one. But you gotta one day that goes to my soul. This dude is tripping, man. Are you a talk to that one there? Vlog. This dude trying to put me in the middle of his chaos, man. Bro, this dude Siobhan put me in the middle of his BS. Man, this dude put me in the ultimate mix-up, man. I just ate, now I gotta eat somewhere else because he want to talk to both of the girls. You okay? You speak English, right? You said? A little? Okay, let me get I'll get a president. Yeah. I just ate and drank, bro. And look at him over there. I met somebody named Laura. What do you want to say to the vlog? Say hello.
Hello.
¿Tú hablas inglés?
My English is not good, really.
So I ate some good food from this place. What is it called? La Pendeja. Restaurant bar. That's what it's called. See? See? We got Siobhan in the background. Look at that dude in the water, still over there, running off his mouth, right there. It's pretty dope, man. It's pretty dope. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, she understands. Tú comprende. But this is the end of the vlog. Straight GoPro all day. You already know how we doing it. What do you got to say? Say hasta luego. Bye bye.